Hey, and welcome to the second part of the instruction for your historical essay. Last time I explained how you go from a list of topics to a specific research question, and also how you explore your topic and come up with sub-questions. Right now you should have a research question and 3 sub-questions that you're going to answer in your essay. You have created and shared an online document with your teacher. But if you have no topic, no document, no research question or sub-questions, stop watching right now and go back to part 1. If you're still watching, you're on the right track. I will now tell you a little bit about the structure of your essay. Basically, there are 3 parts. First, there's the introduction, which I will explain in this video. And then you have the middle part. In the middle part you will have 3 paragraphs, each about 1 sub-question. So paragraph 1 is about sub-question 1, paragraph 2 is about sub-question 2, and paragraph 3 is about sub-question 3. And finally, the third part of your essay is the conclusion. In this video I'm going to explain how you write an introduction. And you need to have decided your research question and your sub-questions, because these are the subject of your introduction. An introduction is the very first part of your essay. It helps to motivate your readers to keep on reading. And if you know which steps you have to take, writing an introduction is super easy. But you can only do it if you already know quite a bit about your topic. And it seems like you do. So let's get started. An introduction has 2 parts. In the first part you introduce your topic, and in the second part you will talk about the structure of your essay. Now let's take a look at a rubric. As you can see, there are 5 levels, from very hard on the left side to excellent on the right side. And as you can see, an introduction should be no longer than 100 words. So think about it this way, you have 50 words to tell your reader why your topic is so interesting, and another 50 words to tell them what's going to be in your essay. The second part is not extremely hard. It's a simple description of what your essay is about. To start off, you can use some standard sentences like, my essay is about the question, how did the tulip mania happen? Or, in this essay you will discover the answer to the question, how did the tulip mania happen? Or you can get a little creative and say, have you ever wondered how the tulip mania happened? You will find the answer in this essay. Next, you introduce your sub-questions. Tell your readers which sub-questions you're going to answer and in which order. For example, firstly, I will answer what the tulip mania was. Secondly, I'm going to explain why people like tulips so much. Thirdly, I will talk about how the tulip mania became so famous. You can pause the video for a bit now and decide how you will introduce your research question and your sub-questions. Oh, and by the way, the order of your sub-questions will be the basis of your writing plan. So after writing this part of your introduction, you will know what the rest of your essay will look like. Now that you have written the second part of your introduction, you can continue with the first part. For this part you will need some inspiration and creativity. Tell your readers why they should read your essay. Try to make them curious. Is there something special about your topic? Maybe you found an interesting detail or effect during your research. You can use that in the introduction. And if you really can't think of anything, you can always give a simple explanation about your topic. But if you really try, I'm 100% sure that you can come up with a fun and creative introduction. It's all up to you. During one of the following classes you will get the chance to review your work with one of your classmates and a rubric. This will really help you to write an even better introduction. So good luck with that, and until next time.